Okay, so now we are taking the reciprocal of this rational expression. By taking reciprocal, the numerator becomes denominator and denominator becomes numerator. So we write in the numerator and denominator in the reciprocal form. So all these three rational expressions are multiplying each other, so we will cancel out the like factors. So x will cancel out x and y will cancel out y. So in numerator we have x into x minus 2, so we'll write x into x minus 2, and in denominator we have y into x minus 1, so we will write y into x minus 1. So it is in the simplest form and it is our answer. So in this question number 6, you can perform the indicated operations and can simplify the given rational expressions.